Nebu's first rain adventure. High up in the bright blue sky, fluffy clouds drift gently, but one tiny cloud feels a little shy today. Meet Nebu, a little cloud who watches others dance and rain, but today is special. It's Nebu's first time to rain. But Nebu is worried. What if the thunder is too loud and scares the birds or breaks umbrellas down below? Other clouds cheer, "Come on, Nebu. Let your raindrops fall and water the thirsty flowers below." Nebu hides behind a bright, shimmering rainbow, hoping to stay unnoticed from the world below. Down below, a tiny sunflower wilts sadly, longing for a gentle rain to drink and smile again. The wind whispers softly, "If only a cloud could cry, the flowers would dance and smile again." Nebu hears this wish and gulps nervously, torn between fear of thunder and desire to help. Nebu admits quietly, "I want to help, but I'm scared the thunder will boom too loud and scare everyone." Suddenly, a large, soft-looking cloud with a wise, kind smile appears, Boomer, the friendly thunder cloud. Boomer smiles warmly, "First rain, huh? Thunder isn't scary. It's like a clap cheering you on." Nebu's eyes sparkle with hope. "Really? Thunder is applause. That makes me feel braver." Taking a deep breath, Nebu puffs up proudly, ready to let the very first raindrop fall. Splash! The first raindrop falls, and below, the little sunflower perks up a tiny bit brighter. More rain follows, each drop singing softly, until suddenly, a gentle thunder boom celebrates Nebu's success. It tickles. Nebu giggles, feeling proud and happy for the first time as thunder softly rumbles behind. Below, the sunflower dances happily, the forest breathes a smile, and children jump joyfully in new puddles. Nebu's rain wasn't too loud or scary. It was just right, perfect for helping the world below bloom. From that day on, whenever you hear gentle thunder, maybe it's Nebu, cheering himself on with soft applause. Remember, even the sky gets nervous sometimes, but every drop, every clap, makes a difference. Thanks for joining Nebu's first rain adventure. Share your courage story with #NebuTheCloud. Stay curious, brave, and remember, every little step counts, even if it feels a bit scary at first. Keep watching the skies, you might just spot Nebu and hear a little cheer waiting for you too. Thanks for watching. Remember, courage grows by leaps and bounds when you just try. Catch more heartwarming stories like Nebu's, where every little cloud finds their shine. Follow Nebu's journey and learn how courage can turn whispers into joyful cheers. Don't let fear hold you back. Even the tiniest cloud can create a beautiful, refreshing rain. So next time you hear that gentle rumble, smile. It's a little cloud cheering itself on, just like you. Thanks for joining this calm and cozy story. Keep shining, keep trying, and never fear your thunder. Good night from Nebu and friends. Remember, every drop counts, and so do you.